The news is everywhere. AI is shaking the creative world to its core. From the bustling newsrooms to the quiet corners of home studios, everyone is talking about the same thing. A technological revolution that's rewriting the rules of creativity. Headlines warn, the end of photography as we know it. Is your creative job safe from AI? The questions are urgent, and the answers are still unfolding. These aren't just clickbait, they're signals of a seismic shift. The creative industry is at a crossroads, and the choices we make now will shape the future for years to come. Today, digital creation is being redefined. The tools we use, the art we make, and the way we collaborate are all evolving at lightning speed. AI has evolved from generating quirky, flawed images to producing professional-grade visuals that rival the work of seasoned artists. The progress is astonishing. The line between human and machine-made art is blurring fast. What once seemed impossible is now a daily reality, challenging our very definition of creativity. Forget last year's AI tools, something far more powerful has arrived. The pace of innovation is relentless, and the latest breakthroughs are nothing short of game-changing. Enter Seedream 4.0, a tool built for professionals, not just for fun. It's designed to empower creators, streamline workflows, and unlock new levels of imagination. This isn't a distant future, it's happening now. The transformation is unfolding in real time, impacting artists, designers, and storytellers everywhere. We've followed the rumors, dug deep into the facts, and what we found could change everything you thought you knew about creative technology. Seedream 4.0 is about to become a household name in creative industries. Its influence is spreading rapidly, and soon, everyone will be talking about it. We're pulling back the curtain to show you what it is, how it works, and why it matters more than ever before. This isn't just an update, it's a paradigm shift. The landscape of creativity is being transformed before our eyes. Imagine directing an AI with the nuance of a film director guiding an actor, every detail, every emotion, perfectly captured and brought to life. For some, it's anxiety-inducing. For others, it's a gateway to new possibilities, a chance to break boundaries and explore uncharted territory. We'll take you inside Seedream 4.0, its features, its power, and its potential to revolutionize your creative process. The revolution isn't coming, it's already here, and it's only just beginning. So, what is Seedream 4.0? It's ByteDance's latest generative AI model. And it's not just another app. This is a professional suite designed to give creators unprecedented control. For years, AI image generators were unpredictable, great for fun, unreliable for real work. Seedream 4.0 changes that, turning AI from a creative slot machine into a precision instrument. Imagine running a campaign. You need the same character, same setting, different moods. Old tools struggled, Seedream delivers. It's about turning your vision into reality, reliably and repeatedly. The creator is no longer a hopeful prompter but a director. You provide references, instructions, and feedback. The AI listens. This shift from passive to active creation is what makes Seedream 4.0 a true game changer. It's not just an upgrade, it's a new way to create. For anyone making visuals, this changes everything. What truly sets Seedream 4.0 apart from everything else out there? In a world where digital creation is evolving at lightning speed, Seedream stands out as a game changer. It all comes down to three foundational pillars: speed, quality, and control. These aren't just buzzwords, they're the core of the Seedream experience. First, let's talk about speed. Gone are the days of waiting impatiently for a single image to render. With Seedream, you get high-resolution images in just seconds, not minutes. This means you can iterate rapidly, exploring dozens of creative variations in the time it used to take to generate just one. Imagine the possibilities when you're not held back by slow processing. Next up is quality. Say goodbye to images that are only good enough for social media. Seedream delivers crisp, detailed 2K images that are perfect for both print and digital use. The difference in clarity and detail is like night and day. Your visuals will stand out no matter the platform. But perhaps the most revolutionary aspect is the level of control you have. You're not just typing in vague prompts. Instead, you're giving the AI a comprehensive set of instructions, guiding it step by step. You can use up to 6 reference images, one for a face, another for clothing, a third for the background, and even more for other details. This flexibility lets you fine-tune every aspect of your creation. This multi-reference system is the secret to achieving true consistency across your images, making sure every element fits together perfectly. Speed empowers you to experiment freely, quality ensures your work is always usable, and control means your unique vision is faithfully realized. Seedream isn't about replacing artists, It's about equipping them with a smarter, more responsive digital brush, amplifying creativity rather than limiting it. For marketers, this means building cohesive campaigns with visuals that match perfectly every single time. For game developers, it means creating consistent worlds and characters, streamlining the entire design process. Seedream 4.0 is more than just a tool. It's a creative powerhouse that transforms your workflow. The workflow is dramatically faster, the results are sharper and more professional, and the level of control is truly unprecedented. This is the new gold standard for professional image generation, where your ideas come to life exactly as you imagine them. The real breakthrough in creative AI workflows, it's not just about smarter algorithms or faster processing speeds. It's Seedream 4.0's revolutionary support for up to 6 reference images at once, a true game changer for artists and creators. In the past, you had to describe every detail in words alone. The results were often hit or miss, and sometimes the AI just didn't get your vision. But now you can show the AI exactly what you want by uploading reference images that capture your ideas visually. A face for the character, a coat for the style, a city for the setting, and a mood for the atmosphere. Each image adds a layer of clarity. Each reference image acts as a direct instruction, not just a vague suggestion. Want a product shot? Upload the product image, then add a hand model, a specific background, and even your preferred lighting style for a polished look. The AI intelligently blends all these elements into a single, cohesive image. No need for complex photo shoots or spending hours editing in Photoshop. This system drastically reduces ambiguity and guesswork, making your creative process smoother and more predictable. You're not just prompting anymore, you're curating, directing, and shaping the outcome. Achieve consistent characters, uniform product shots, or even a series of illustrations that all share the same unique style. It's all possible with multi-reference. This is what truly separates a professional creative tool from a simple novelty or toy. Now, the AI works for your vision, adapting to your needs instead of you having to adapt to the AI's limitations. Multi-reference is the secret ingredient for achieving consistency, creative precision, and a unified look across your projects. It's a new era for digital art direction, where collaboration between human creativity and AI is seamless. With these tools, you're in control like never before. Your ideas, your style, your results. How do you use Seedream 4.0? Let's walk through it. Start by setting up your account. Simple, professional, project-based. Begin a new project. Say you want a female astronaut on Mars. Gather your references, a face, a spacesuit, a Mars-like landscape. Upload them, each appears as a thumbnail ready to guide the AI. Now write your prompt. No need to describe what's in your references. Focus on action, mood, and composition. Example: an astronaut stands on a rocky red desert planet gazing at distant mountains. Dramatic morning light, cinematic wide-angle shot. Hit generate. In under 10 seconds you get 4 high-res variations. Each image nails the face, suit, and landscape. Choose your favorite, export it, or move to advanced editing. From idea to reality in minutes. The process is intuitive and lightning fast. You're not wrestling with the AI, you're collaborating. This is professional-grade creation, simplified. Seedream 4.0 makes high-quality image generation accessible and efficient. Reference images handle the specifics. Your prompt handles the artistry. Think of your prompt as directing a film scene. You set the mood, composition, and emotion. Be concise and evocative. Let references handle details. Your words guide the feeling. Use powerful adjectives: ethereal, dynamic, serene, menacing. Specify shot type: macro, wide-angle, aerial, Dutch angle. Guide the lighting: soft morning, golden hour, neon night. Reference styles or artists: Ansel Adams for black and white, Studio Ghibli for whimsy. Prompting is iterative, refine as you go. Too static, add dynamic motion. Lighting too flat, try dramatic chiaroscuro. Keep a list of effective keywords. Mastering prompts is about speaking the language of art and emotion. The AI handles the literal, you shape the vision. This is where your creative direction truly shines. Generation is just the start. Editing is where Seedream 4.0 shines. Old AI tools forced you to regenerate for every small change. Not anymore. With text-based editing, select any part of your image and give a simple command. Want 2 moons in the sky? Mask the area, type your request, and the AI updates just that section. Need a new background? Select, prompt, and watch it change, seamlessly. Change a character's expression, add props, or expand the scene without painting. No more jumping to Photoshop. Stay in the creative flow. Make precise, targeted edits without losing your original composition. This conversational editing bridges raw generation and fine-tuned control. It saves hours and keeps your process fluid. Seedream 4.0 feels less like a machine, more like a creative partner. Editing is now as intuitive as creation. No tool is perfect. No Seedream 4.0 strengths and limits. Your results depend on your input. High-quality references are essential. Garbage in, garbage out. Don't expect miracles from blurry images. Visual artifacts can still happen, especially with complex or conflicting references. If you spot an issue, iterate, rephrase prompts, swap references, or adjust instructions. Be specific, but don't micromanage. Guide the scene, let the AI fill in natural details. Trust the process. Seedream is learning and improving with every update. Stay engaged with community forums and update notes. Sometimes what worked last week may change as the model evolves. Adaptability is key. Acknowledge the tool's limits and you'll maximize its power. The more you experiment, the better your results. Work with the AI, not against it. Mastery comes from understanding both its capabilities and its quirks. So what's the verdict? Seedream 4.0 isn't just another AI, it's a leap forward. Fast, high-res generation, multi-reference control, and intuitive editing put real power in creators' hands. It delivers the consistency and quality professionals need. Tedious tasks are accelerated, freeing you to focus on ideas and storytelling. Seedream empowers artists, turning them into directors with a virtual studio. The digital creation landscape is forever changed. Tools like MidJourney opened the door. Seedream builds the workshop. Now, what will you create? A new world, a campaign, a children's book? Share your ideas in the comments. Your vision is the next chapter in this story.